Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring Mix Audio, a copyright-free AI music generator that creates songs from text, image and audio. When you submit a prompt, it generates music based on that prompt. And here's an example of that. With the image to music feature, it analyzes the image you upload and generates a song suitable for it. And when you upload an audio, it analyzes the theme, genre, mood, and generates a similar song for you. Now let me guide you how to use each of these features properly. To kick things off, type Mix Audio in your browser and hit enter. Open this first link and click on Generate Music. Now sign up using any of these methods. Once you sign up, you'll be directed to this page. From here, click on this AI BGM menu. As you can see, it offers 3 options to generate your AI music. If you want to create music from a text prompt, simply write it here. If you need help with the prompt, you can click on this Prompt Genius button and it will suggest a prompt. Alternatively, you can ignore the prompt and generate songs by setting the theme, genre, mood and duration. This AI supports generating music for up to 5 minutes. I'll set the duration to 1 minute and hit the generate button. As you can see, the AI music was really fast and generated 4 songs for me. You can play each of these songs from here. You can also download these songs. Let's clear the prompt and try generating a song with an image. Click on this plus icon and upload an image from your device. Then simply hit the generate button. Your songs will be ready instantly. Now remove the image and paste the URL of your favorite song. You can go to the YouTube Music and copy the link of any music. Now simply paste the URL and hit generate. In terms of pricing, Mix Audio offers both free and paid plans. In the free plan, you can generate unlimited AI songs and download 4 MP3 files per month. Best of all, the generated songs are 100% copyright cleared. This means you can use them to monetize on social media, live streams, podcasts, including YouTube. So that was all about today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.